Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating J. Write the equation on paper and identify terms with J. Subtract or add constants so only the J term remains on one side. Once done, divide or multiply to remove coefficients. For example, from 3J plus 5 equals 20 subtract 5, then divide by 3. Make sure to use parentheses on your calculator when entering negative numbers. This prevents order of operations errors. If fractions appear, convert to decimal or use fraction mode for exactness. You now handle equations where J is squared or under a root. Rearrange to standard form, x2 plus bx plus c equals 0, and then apply the quadratic formula. Enter b2 for ac exactly, then sqrt, and divide by 2a. If your calculator has a solver, input coefficients and let it compute both roots. Make sure to select the correct variable symbol. When using roots, always wrap the radicand in parentheses so the calculator computes correctly. You finish by addressing complex cases and checking your work. If J represents the imaginary unit, switch to complex or polar mode and use the calculator's I or J input. Some models use I only. Once you obtain J, substitute it back into the original equation to confirm both sides match. If results seem off, make sure you respected parentheses, used correct modes, and adjust display precision. If still wrong, re-enter inputs slowly and watch for a sign error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.